Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2021 VW Tiguan Match Allspace. This car comes with a 1.5 petrol engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 148 brake horsepower and returning up to 37 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 17 and this is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 23,000 miles and comes with full service history. This colour is called the Platinum Grey and looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. Having a look inside, you've also got the nice clean interior, and there's a armrest and two cup holders in the centre for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple CarPlay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. A few other features like I mentioned, the car also has climate control, active cruise control, so the car follows the car in front and it brakes accordingly, automatic headlights and wipers, and then on your driver's door card, your electric folding mirror and for window controls, and that button just down there is also for the electric tailgate. Being an SUV, the Tiguan has lots of legroom and headroom in the back, nice wide rear door opening, so ideal for getting children in and out of car seats, for example. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers also have their own picnic tables that are folded away, and they can also adjust their own temperatures in the centre, and you've also got 2 charging ports too. Opening the tailgate, which like I said is electric, reveals the 7-seat option, so your third row seat there. I've put one down just to show you how far back the boot goes with the seats down. So you've got a nice big storage area there. And the parcel shelf is also stored underneath the boot floor when it's not needed, so that's out of the way. Externally, the car comes with front and rear parking sensors, the 19-inch alloy wheels, and also a colour reversing camera. And then the car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or if you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.